I think altcoins are about to make a very, very big move here. And in this video, we're going to be talking about a bunch of cryptocurrencies. I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts right now. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. The coin that I want you guys to add to your watch list that I bought today is Matic. You guys know Matic. It broke over $1 today. So Matic has been on a crazy tear. It's something very interesting. So this morning, I believe early this afternoon, the crypto market had a pretty big dump and Matic dumped, but ended up bouncing up within the same hour and making new highs. This coin is very strong. You guys need to add this to your watch list as me and my group bought this. But look at this. It's breaking out of this major resistance. It broke out of this resistance and it is just making some massive moves. So I want you guys to pay attention to this. XRP as well. This coin is getting ready to make a huge move. You all need to add this to your watch list. I own a lot of XRP personally. My community members, my friends, we all hold this coin. It's sitting around 62 cents right now, and I do believe it's going to be making its move very soon, within the next few weeks, to 75 cents and then eventually to $1. So almost a 2x from here in the very short term. If we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is still $42,500. This is crazy. Bitcoin is holding up very strong. And we had a dip today, but Bitcoin bounced and recovered the dip, which is for the bulls a short-term good bullish sign. And even long-term Bitcoin is still just incredibly bullish. But what I've been waiting for and what a lot of people have been waiting for is a bigger dip, a bigger flush, a bigger correction in the crypto market before we consider adding or buying any altcoins. But here's the thing, at this point in the crypto market, the market is so bullish and everyone is very bullish, anticipating the things that are going to be taking place next year and in the next week or next couple of weeks for cryptocurrencies with the Bitcoin ETF approvals, that altcoins are just flying. And even though Bitcoin is, going down, for the most part, it's just consolidating and altcoins are going absolutely insane. So when it comes to picking an altcoin right now, you don't want to buy an altcoin like Solana that has just 10x. You want to look for coins. Look at this BNB. This coin is going absolutely crazy while the market is heading down. You want to find coins like Dogecoin that have not really pumped too big. And Dogecoin has broken out of resistance and we're holding this support and we're getting a lot of bounces on this support, showing a lot of buyers. This is a really good coin at this specific price, in my opinion, for the crypto bull run. You want to look for coins that are good projects, top 100 at least, that have not pumped up 10x, 5x in the past 2 months. The coins that have 10x already in the past 2 months, they did a 5x, they're probably going to end up entering into like a bearish correction, a bearish market for a few months before they continue their crazy runs. And that's how bull markets work. Altcoins and coins, they all pump at their own different times, their own different timing, and it really all centers around Bitcoin. When the crypto market is bullish, Bitcoin will lead, and then when Bitcoin begins to lead, you're going to see altcoins pump, and that's the time the people are rotating their Bitcoin profits into altcoins, and then Bitcoin starts to go up again, or it corrects, then they swap their altcoins, they buy the Bitcoin dip, they ride up the Bitcoin pump, and then they swap again for altcoins. That's how you make money in this bull market. So what are my thoughts going forward? Well, Bitcoin is still very strong. Every single time it comes down, it goes down, it bounces up really hard and really strong. So we're going to have to see if the bulls are going to continue this bounce and break above this resistance level. If Bitcoin starts to recover again, I would very be confident that the altcoin market is about to make a huge move. However, if Bitcoin ends up breaking down from our current level, it's going to be a quick correction. It's going to be a quick correction. Alts are going to flush. Alts will flush pretty big, but that's going to be the opportunity for you to get into these altcoins, because after these big flushes on Bitcoin, which we haven't had a big flush yet, this is a 10% flush. A lot of altcoins did flush big. You would have made money if you had bought the dip then, but I'm expecting a bigger, like 20% total from this top here. Maybe around the 38,000, somewhere in like the mid to high 30s. If Bitcoin corrects and crashes down to these levels, that's when I'm going to be buying altcoins, and I'm also going to be buying Bitcoin. But Bitcoin might not do that because the market is extremely bullish. We have so much to look forward to. The ETFs are about to be approved any day. So it seems like BlackRock and the people that are keeping these ETFs are supporting the price. They're preventing the price from dropping any further because maybe they're trying to encourage people with Bitcoin, with ETFs to buy in and so on and so forth. So if Bitcoin continues to hold strong here, altcoins are going to rip. If Bitcoin pumps even further, altcoins are going to go insane. So that's what I'm thinking. we're going to pay attention to very closely and how the market is working. But we're moving towards the end of this year, the beginning of a new year. So money moves around. Things can be quite tricky and kind of weird. So after the first of the year, I'm expecting things to pick up very, very bullish. If you look last year, January 1st, as soon as January 1st, or it's actually this year, January 1st started, Bitcoin and cryptos, they just started going up. And they seemed like they were dead, but they started going up like crazy. And I'm expecting potentially the same exact thing as soon as the first of the month hits. Now, make sure you guys are in my Patreon where I'm putting out buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies before they pump, where you guys can catch massive gains. Today, me and my group, we bought Matic before it pumped and we caught a huge move. If you guys want to have access to this, join my Patreon immediately. Today I made over $1,000, and these are similar alerts that I will put out in my Patreon to long and short as well. Make sure you guys are using Algosniper. Look, it gave us a buy alert at the very bottom of this Matic pump. You guys need to try this thing. It's free at algosniper.com. Now, if you guys are trading cryptocurrency, make sure you're trading over on Woo, where it's the cheapest fees on the internet. If you are in the US, you will not be able to use this platform, as you will need to KYC with an international ID. This is what a P&L card looks like. I'm trading on this platform where I made $1,000 in this trade alone today. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys got something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on. I will see you later.